Who the hell are you?
Who the hell are you guys?
Who the hell are you?
INS Division 6.
Who the hell are you?
Call me Nugget.
Who the hell are you?
Unit volunteer, sir.
Who the hell are you?
I'm his dance teacher.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Milo Walker. Who are you?
Who the hell are you?
Walter?
Who the hell are you?
I'm Alexander Pierce.
Who the hell are you?
The name's Gibbons. Augustus Gibbons.
Who the hell are you?
Maybe this will jog your memory.
Who the hell are you?
I'm Dr. Dennett Norton. I'm treating you.
Who the hell are you?
I'm her husband.
Who the hell are you?
The guy you didn't count on.
Who the hell are you?
I'm what you might call a champagne problem. Who the hell are you?
Oh, I'm what you call an ice cold can of whoop ass.
Who the hell are you guys?
You don't remember us? We remember you.
Who the hell are you? Oh, Malone. Just transferred right there. Yeah, check that out. Bam.
Who the hell are you? I'm Jack Starks. Get the fuck out of my house.
Who the hell are you?
Parker.
All right. I was going to give him 20 cents on the dollar. I'll give you 40.
It's not about money.
Who the hell are you?
Considering that I live here, young man, I think the question is, who the hell are you?
It's not what you think, Mrs. Smalls. We're not burglars.
Who the hell are you?
The first of many. Cut off one head. Two more shall take its place.
Hail Hydra.
Who the hell are you?
I am every little girl you ever watched, touched, hurt, screwed, killed.
And who the hell are you?
Figured my rugged good looks would make that obvious. My name is Ego. And I'm your dad, Peter.
Who the hell are you? Nick Fury, Director of S.H.I.E.L.D. I'm here to talk to you about the Avenger Initiative.